Aloha! Let's learn the Hakalama. The Hakalama is a Hawaiian syllabary, a set of written characters representing syllables, used in Hawaiian language preschools to teach early literacy. The 13 letters of the pi'apa and the kahako produce 80 syllables. When these syllables are placed on a chart, kumu are able to teach children all the sounds of the Hawaiian language through chant, enabling students to hear the sounds, vocalize the sounds, and see the sounds. 3 to 4-year-old preschool children learning the Hakalama are able to master reading at least 2 years before their peers in English medium schools. Let's learn the Hakalama. Jump in and say these syllables with me. Hakalama na pava'a, hekele mene peve'e, hikili mini pivi'i, hokolo mono povo'o, hukulu munu puvu'u. The Hakalama can also be chanted with the kahako. Let's say it together. Ha, ka, la, ma, na, pa, va, a. He, ke, le, me, ne, pe, ve, e. Hi, ki, li, mi, ni, pi, vi, i. Ho, ko, lo, mo, no, po, vo, o. Hu, ku, lu, mu, nu, pu, vu, u. Let's try this familiar word. U, ku, le, le. Ukulele, and not the commonly mispronounced word ukulele. Let's read it together. Ukulele. With this same method of teaching our keiki how to read at 3 years old, you too can learn how to read and pronounce our Hawaiian words.